Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode we have a special unboxing. We're going to go over what's in the box for the Govee LED floodlight. This is the newest piece of studio gear for here on all of my channels, as well as a nice little piece of entertainment for me while I'm listening to music and gaming. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. Today we're doing a unboxing of the Govee light. As you can see, here's the front picture of the box, and this is the 4-pack. Get the box open here. First thing that you see is a nice little user's manual. Here's a quick look at what it looks like. We got a nice little social media advertisement within it, asking you if you like the Govee brand to follow them on social media, giving you information on how to get in contact with customer support, and then they've got a nice little QR code on the back as well. But as you can see, there's 4 LED lights along with their power cord in here, and these are waterproof. These are specifically designed for outdoor use, but who said that an outdoor floodlight couldn't work indoors? As you can see, there's a cord that comes out of the back. There's also a bracket that is on the bottom. You see there's a nice little cord with a threaded cap on the back, which is to help seal a little bit better to make them waterproof. And the first thing you find, well, depending on which end you open, is the ground stakes, which, who knows, maybe in the spring or summer I'll try them out outdoors, but my personal intention is to use them within my room here as studio lighting and music, gaming lighting. And then the rest of the box here has the wire harness that goes to the lights. As you can see, there's a nice junction here of wiring. There is supposed to be approximately 9 foot of cord between this outlet plug and the first light, and I do believe that it is supposed to be approximately 9 feet between each light. As you can see here, the wire goes so far, and then you've got this housing. This housing is where the LED light will plug in, and that little added cap on the cord will secure it even better to make it waterproof. And just based on the amount of cord here in this little bundle, it looks like they're going to be a good 9 foot of cord between each light. Now, from what I researched before making my purchase, is though these are intended for outdoor use, the one drawback to these is the size of this plug. Now, if you've got an outdoor outlet on the side of your home with the nice little covers for them, you'll be able to use this on a nice day. But unless you have a ginormous cover for your lights, this is going to be a big issue, because if you don't have a large cover for your outdoor outlet, or have them in a place where it's going to be away from the elements, this is not going to be all that sufficient. You are going to have to run an extension cord or create some kind of housing to protect this outlet from moisture and rain getting to that plug, because that will cause issues if you don't. And that is primarily why I decided, instead of using these as their intended outdoor use, that I would use them indoors, because I am not in the mood to have to replace them or use the insurance on them because of the weather outside getting to the plug. Download the app here real quick by using the QR code, and the Govee Home app is just under 60 megabytes, which in reality is not all that bad. And I've got a few different apps that are well over 60 megabytes. It asks you to check their privacy policy and user agreement. Accept, just to make it easier to see. I don't know if you can tell what color they are actually on the camera, but that's on red. That's hard to see in the camera monitor, and I can't see me, but give you a little bit of perspective. That's at 90% brightness in a completely black room. I do believe that's just plain white light. Crank it up to 100% brightness. Turn it around here so you can see. And really, that's not even all of them facing in the same direction, so that's pretty bright. And that's just taking them out of the box and getting them hooked up and getting the app set up so I could change the color. You do have to create an account in order to get the app fully set up to be able to do things, but there's that. I'm going to cut away for now. After this transition, you will be able to see them fully set up where they're going to be from now on and fully functioning, to where not only can they be used as added studio lights, but they're going to be set up in a way for background lighting as well as entertainment when it comes to music playing and things of that nature. So we'll be right back.